Here you see the digital archive. In the digital archive, we keep all your important papers like invoices and contracts. In the folder 2020, the year, we have 7 subfolders. The first folder is debtors. Here we keep your outgoing invoices. Then we have the folder creditors, where we have your purchase invoices. Folder bank statements, where we keep the bank transactions per quarter. Subfolder 4 cash, for your cash register. Here in taxes, we keep all the important letters from the taxes. We save reminders in this folder. And the last one, folder 7, others. For example, here we keep your income tax. Then we've got a separate folder for the employees. And per employee, we keep, for example, the contracts and the pay slips. Then we've got the permanent folder. Here we keep your Chamber of Commerce extract and your ID. And the most important one is the folder unprocessed. Here you gather all your invoices and receipts for us, and then we process them. There are 3 kinds of ways to upload files into this archive. First of them is by pressing this green arrow and then search on your computer. Add files and upload them. After they're uploaded, we'll see them and we can process them. When the invoice or receipt is processed, you can see a plus in front of it. When you press it, you can see the mutation number. This is the booking reference. When you open it, you can see how we processed and administrated your file. And you can always look into the file to see what it was. After processing, we will move it to the folder where it belongs. Everything we process has immediately effect on your administration. For example, the receipt of the Albert Heijn, which we booked, you can see in the profit and loss. At the same time, you can see this transaction on the VAT for the 4th quarter. Here it is VAT to receive. Everything is connected to each other, so easily found. The digital archive is the place where we store all your receipts and invoices in the cloud and save. This way, you have a very good overview of where your documents are saved. If you have any questions about the digital archive, feel free to contact us.